Tired of the DNS server not responding error on your Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7 computer? We have got an easy fix for you. In this straightforward tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to resolve this frustrating problem and get your internet connection back on track. Say goodbye to those no internet moments. Watch now to easily troubleshoot and fix your DNS server issues. If you encounter a DNS server not responding issue on Windows 11, 10, 8 or 7, try these steps to resolve it. Step 1. Restart your router and modem. Step 2. Check your network cables and connections. Step 3. Flush your DNS cache. Open command prompt as an administrator and type ipconfig flush DNS followed by pressing enter. Step 4. Set DNS to Google DNS or OpenDNS. Go to Network and Sharing Center, select your connection, go to Properties, and set the DNS server addresses to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 for Google DNS and following for OpenDNS. Step 5. Disable and re-enable your network adapter. Step 6. Update your network adapter drivers. Step 7. Temporarily disable your firewall and antivirus software to check if they are causing the issue. Step 8. Run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Step 9. Restart your computer. Step 10. If the issue persists, contact your internet service provider or a network specialist for further assistance.